when boil the tungsten filament, it will emit the electrons. Yes. So it will travel and it will hit the anode.
So X-rays.
It's a very rare exhibit, sir.
What is this?
This is X-ray tube, sir. This is vacuum tube. It's made up of Pyrex glass. Okay. In textbooks and lessons, we can able to see only the diagrammatic representation. Here we can able to see the original X-ray tube. It's a very rare exhibit. Even teachers also, we are unable to see original X-ray tube. So this is more helpful and educate the children, students and public also.
So how it works like?
Yeah, I will explain. It have two electrodes, sir. Basic principle of X-rays production is when a fast-moving electrons travel and hit the anode, sir, the cathode rays will be converted into X-rays. So here, cathode will have a filament. When with the principle of thermionic emission, it boil up, it will produce the electrons. These fast-moving electrons attracted towards the anode and hit the anode. The cathode rays will be converted into X-rays. That is the basic principle of production of X-rays. This is negatively charged cathode. This is positively charged anode. This is a disc type. This tube belongs to rotating anode X-ray tube. There are two types of X-ray tubes. One is stationary anode, second one is a rotating anode. This belongs to rotating anode X-ray tube. It's a very rare exhibit. It educate more and useful for children, students and public also.